Is banking truly free, or is there always a hidden cost? This is the question that's on everyone's mind, especially with the rise of digital-first banks that promise zero fees. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Neon Bank, a popular Swiss neobank, to uncover exactly what it costs to be a customer. Now, you might have heard that Neon Bank has a free account. And for a long time, this was largely true for everyday use within Switzerland. But the banking landscape is always changing, and so are the fees and plans. Neon has updated its offerings, and we're going to break down everything you need to know. First, let's look at the foundational Neon free plan. The big selling point here is that there are no monthly account fees. So you can have a full-fledged Swiss bank account with a Swiss IBAN and a debit MasterCard without paying a cent in regular subscription costs. This is fantastic for anyone who just needs a simple, no-frills account for daily transactions. Payments within Switzerland, including QR and e-bill payments, are also free. However, it's not entirely without cost. The debit card itself has a one-time issuance fee. And if you're a traveler, you'll want to pay close attention to the foreign transaction fees. While Neon used to be completely free for card payments abroad, there is now a currency exchange markup. Also, cash withdrawals at Swiss ATMs come with a fee per withdrawal. This is where Neon's other plans come into play. They've introduced a tiered system to cater to different needs. The first step up is the Neon Plus plan. This account has a small monthly fee, but it brings some significant benefits. For starters, it eliminates the currency exchange markup on foreign card payments, which is a game changer for frequent travelers or online shoppers who buy from international stores. It also gives you a couple of free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland each month. So, if you find yourself using your card abroad or withdrawing cash more than a couple of times a month, the Plus plan could actually save you money in the long run. Then there's the Neon Global plan, which is geared toward the truly boundless traveler. This plan includes all the benefits of Plus, but it significantly reduces the fees for cash withdrawals abroad. It also comes with extra perks like travel insurance, shopping insurance, and cyber insurance. For a traveler who wants peace of mind and minimal fees while on the road, this plan offers a lot of value. Finally, we have the Neon Metal plan. This is the top tier, premium offering. It includes everything from the global plan, but it takes the benefits even further. With this plan, you get completely free cash withdrawals worldwide, no matter the ATM. You also get a beautiful, exclusive metal card and a wider range of insurance benefits, including phone protection. So, how much does Neon Bank really cost? The answer is, it depends on you. It's not a one-size-fits-all model anymore. The free plan is perfect for those who do most of their banking in Switzerland and rarely need cash. If you travel or shop internationally with any regularity, stepping up to a paid plan could be a smart financial move. The fees are transparent and clearly laid out, which is a refreshing change from traditional banks with their complex fee schedules. The key is to evaluate your own spending habits and choose the plan that best fits your lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.